Are you someone who wants to become software engineer? There are few. Technology can learn. Are you someone who wants to land their first C# programming role? If yes, this course is perfect for you. Hi, I am Vipin Pandey, and I will be the course instructor. I am an advanced C# trainer with 7.2 years of C# coding experience. With this course, you will receive 50 hours of video training and 10 coding challenges. By the end of this course, you will be able to create your own C# apps quickly like website. Will get knowledge about database. And land your first C# programming job. There are no prerequisites to take this course. So, what are you waiting for? Learn C# the right way. Enroll now. Find us on WhatsApp and Telegram.